Everybody wants to make money online, but a lot of business models require an investment. It can be just few hundred or even few $1,000s. But in this video, we show you exactly how you can start making money today with zero investment, without investing $1. This is 100% free and legit way on how you can make money online. Just simply answering questions on forum by promoting affiliate products, and I will show you exactly step by step how to do it. But first of all, leave a like on this video and comment below the idea for the next one. So, as I said before, the strategy is really simple. It's pretty much that you go on forums, for example, let's say Quora.com, and then you find a topic that you know something, that you are a little bit passionate, or just you know something about that topic, and it's more easy for you help people answering their questions. And then you go on affiliate marketplaces like ClickBank, CJ Affiliate, and then you find products to promote into your answer. But you cannot spam people. You need to find products that are useful for the goal of that person. Let's say, for example, as I said before, you go on Quora.com and then you go on the section maybe about fitness, sport, health, get in shape, because I really know stuff and I'm passionate about that niche. And then I go on this other platform, for example, ClickBank, and I look for products that can help the goal of the person that have done the question. For example, the question, it can be, what are the best exercises to get abs? And then I go on ClickBank and I found a guide about apps and exercises, and maybe on the answer I tell them 3 or 4 exercises that are good for your body and for your abs, and then I write, if you want to know more, or if you want to know exactly, if you want to have a perfect plan workout to grow your abs, or a more detailed program about abs. So by doing this, first of all, you will help people, because people have problems, and you will solve their problems with products, and you will simply earn a commission without thinking about customers, management, about shipping, about customer issues or some other stuff. You are just the man in the middle that shares that product and earn a commission. And this for you is completely free. You can register on Quora, on ClickBank, and all these sites for free with zero investment. And the good thing about this is that once you answer that question, the question and the answer remain there, stay in the site, and if someone search that topic, came up that question with your answer, other people will check out your answer, check out your link, check out your affiliate product, and you have more chances to earn money. Because at the end it's just a number game. The more questions that you answer, the more products that you include, the more money you will make, because you will have more people from different niches that look at your answer, look at your product, and maybe if 1 every 100 will buy it, the more people you show it, the more people will buy it. But remember to be ethical. You don't want to spam people. You don't want just to promote products in order to make money. But answer the question in the right way. Promote the right product. And if you don't find a product that matches exactly the problem of that person, don't promote anything. Skip it and go to the next question. Or just maybe write something that you know it can help them. And if you don't know a topic, if you don't know something, don't write stupid stuff. Just go on Google and search for information, because maybe people are too lazy to go on Google and they post questions on this forum, but you can easily find the answer on Google. As the example I've done before about abs, you can go online and find 10 great exercises for abs without struggling. And then once the other person will buy that product, will make that payment, you will receive a commission into your platform, and it will go directly onto your bank account or into your PayPal. So you're sure 100% to earn that money. And this is a legit way on how you can make money online without investment. And if you have some skill that you want to monetize online, you need to watch this next video right here, so you will know exactly how to take your skill and make money today. I see you there.